All right, y'all, we have some extra money to stuff, and I am so pumped about it, and it is all because of you guys. So first of all, a huge, huge thank you. I'm going to show you the money in a second. This is all from my Amazon book sales. I think it's 2 months behind, so this would have been for June, I think, because I got it in September. So I think this money is from my book sales in June, and I think that's probably right around the time where I released Destroy That Debt, my debt planner, and you guys really liked that. So thank you so much. I have a new budget planner, which is already out. I'm waiting for that in the mail, and I'm going to film a video on it, but I'm also working on another book. So there's things happening over here, and yes, I'm just thankful, thankful for all of your support. So we got $113. Again, that's a humongous amount. Some months I get $0 from my book sales. Some months I get like $4. So 113 is just humongous. So once again, thank you. And we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to put 20 towards the 1K challenge, 30 to taxes, 28 to Christmas, 15 to the Halloween party, and 20 to vacation. I tried to stretch it because there's a lot of things I'm trying to save for right now. And so, yeah, I just tried to, you know, put it in a lot of places. All right, so let's start with taxes first, because once again, that stinks. And yeah, it still needs to be done, even though it stinks. So I have all the money separated by, you know, in increments for what we're doing, and it is all fake money or prop money, because literally I'm just going to transfer the entire 113 into savings, except for probably the Halloween party money. I'll probably have to take that out, but then what I'll do is I'll come back and then take out the prop money and just put in the real cash. So that's what I'm going to do there. Okay, so $30 to taxes to start. So let me add this up on my tracker really quick. Let's put it in and see what we have. I do need to color one of these, and I happen to have a marker here, so let me just color this really quickly. And actually, I could color another one as soon as I get $2 more in here, so I could probably color it now, but I'm not going to. All right, so 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 198. I need 800 before January 15th, so I can make my last quarterly payment in January. And then I guess I got to start all over again with quarterly payments for next year. But for now, that is done. So that is good. And I am going to check it off my list, because I am a list maker and a list checker offer. Are you a list maker and checker offer? Let me know. All right, next, let's take care of the 1K challenge, because that's quick and easy. This is my 25 low income savings challenge book. This is another one I have available on Amazon. I am working on this $1,000 challenge, and we are finally able to color again. Oh, I think let's do a cloud, because y'all know I like to do the big numbers. Let me grab my gray over here. I use these Mr. Pen Sleek Gel Highlighters. They're available on Amazon, and they're a lot less expensive than I thought. I want to say a pack of, I don't know, 15 or so was like $8. But they are linked in my Amazon storefront if you're ever interested in them. They do twist up, if you didn't know that. Yes, they do twist up. And they're kind of weird to color with, but I like them because they don't bleed. Especially with these books, the paper is pretty thin, so you have to use only certain things if you don't want it to bleed. They do not color the best in small areas, as you can see, because the points get dull really fast. But anyway, $20 going in here. Let's grab the binder. I think it's the other binder. Is it the, no, oh, we're good. All right, so $20 here to the 1K. And I am going to be filming a condensing soon, which I do really need. 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, for 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 480, I think that was. And I was hesitating in there because I have a real 20. And I'm like, ooh, I should take that out and put that towards the Halloween party. But I'm only putting 15 towards the Halloween party. But these are the things that I have to think of when I use prop and real cash. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this is true life story of a hybrid budgeter. Okay. So anyway, I think that was $4.80 in there. So literally $20 away from the halfway mark. Yes, I love it. Okay, let me check that off. And let's see what else we're doing. Christmas, Halloween party, and vacation. So let's take care of the Halloween party, I guess. Let's see. Can I put... All right, I don't know, you guys. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15 going here towards the Halloween party. This challenge is from Liz over at Liz and Less. It is a sticker savings challenge, and we have $15. So I think it's not going to be fun today. I think... Well, you know what? I'm going to lie. I was going to say let's just do this 15, but I think I'm going to do the 6 and the 4, which is 10, and then the 5, which is 15 to finish off all those circles. And then we have $20, $35, $39 to go. And I still know that I'm not going to be putting $39 more in here before October 19th, but if I can find any extra money somewhere, maybe, just maybe, we'll see. All right, so let's stick this back in here. We'll put the 15 in and see where we're at. And this is a prop 10, so I will need to exchange that out before I go to spend this money. 20, 40, 55, 65, 75, 77, 79, 81, 82, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Woo! 114. 114, baby. Yes. Okay. Last but not least, no, I'm lying. Hold on. Let me be a list checker like I said I was. So we did this. So we have vacay and Christmas left. So vacation, we're putting a straight 20 in here. This challenge is from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Co. And let's see, 20. Let's do a 12 and an 8. Because again, getting those big numbers out of the way. This is a $225 challenge, and this might push us over the edge to be halfway. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 126. Yes. So 99 more dollars to go in here. Woohoo! I need this money, well, way more than this by January. So I gotta get on it. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna put $28 towards Christmas. Is $28 a lot towards an entire like $2,000 worth of savings for Christmas? Absolutely not. But does it help? Absolutely. 25, 26, 27, 28. And right off the bat, I know I want to try to go to a challenge and finish it. I do know I have an IOU, but I'm not going to worry about paying that right now. Let's see. We have 2 here. We're getting down to it in some of these. I really want to try for Tracy's challenge. but I think it's going to be a lot more. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. It's going to be a little bit more than... All right, let's just do it. We're going to have an IOU for sure, but maybe we could at least scratch the final 3 and see. And then we could just add to our IOU. So 8 plus 13. What's that? 21. So we need 7 or less, which it's not going to... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that literally exactly 28? 13 plus 7 is 20 plus 8 is 28. No. 25, 26, 27, 28. Did that just happen? Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. I feel like I need to play the lottery. What? So this should be 125, 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Say what? Oh my God. I'm so happy about that. That is so funny. I love that for me. Okay. Whoop. Let's go back here. I'm glad I didn't try to pay the IOU first. Yes. Okay. Another challenge finished, you guys. I am so excited about that. Okay, so I'm putting all of my finished challenge money into this main envelope that needs a condensing like crazy. But that's going to be a separate video. So we're not going to take care of it now, but what we are going to do is we are going to count it, and it's going to be a lot to count and it might take a minute, but we're going to do it because who doesn't love counting all of the money that they have, right? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7, 750, 800. 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 1155, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $2 short of $1,200. So $11.98, and we would be at $1,200 with our IOU. Wowza. Wow. I mean, it's still a far cry from 2,000, but I'm really, really happy with that. Don't forget, we do have other money in some of these also. So we are getting there. We have 1, 2, 3 challenges plus the Black Friday, which technically is just extra money, and then we will be finished. Yes. Oh my gosh. This feels amazing. I wanted to have everything finished by the end of this month. I know that that's not going to happen, but I do really feel great about where I'm at so far. So, yes. Okay. That's everything for this video. Oh, let's make it official. Check. Okay. Once again, a humongous thank you to all of you for all of your support. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.